Oh, come here. Welcome to Skydive. We just rocked it. Happy birthday. You had a good time?
Yeah, dude, it was the best.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you'd recommend it?
Heck yeah.
All right. What was your favorite part?
Jumping out of the airplane.
I kind of like that landing. That was pretty good.
That was awesome.
All right, let's give a big thumbs up. Hey, Scott over here. Love it, Scott Dive. Like I said, we're cartoons. Hollister. This is Nancy from Belika. We have Jester up from the planet Earth. Go see ya. See ya!